I got to work with Gene Hackman and Robert Duvall, and it was fun to watch. All these guys I got to work with, just fabulous, and it was fun to watch these guys do their thing. And so, you know, it was good to work with guys like that because you learn so much from them.
What are some things that you were picking up on those guys that you got to work with, like Gene Hackman and Duvall at that certain caliber? Was there a certain way that they carried themselves that you feel really made them successful or anything like that you could pick apart or anything, or no?
To be honest, I could blow a bunch of sunshine here, but to be honest with you, once you get to that point in their careers, at the point when I knew them, then it's already the die's been set. Robert Duvall has this thing about ADs, hates ADs. And the AD would come up to the truck, we'd be coming over to the set, and they would drive us all over in this this van. And the AD would come up to the van, and Duvall would just walk away. I don't want to, because they would tell him, Mr. Duvall, it's 15 minutes, and Duvall would always say, you know, look, how long have I been in this business? I got to get you to come over and tell me, and these poor ADs would be afraid to come over because he'd chew their heads off every time.
That'd be fun, actually.
Yeah,
if I was an AD and he like chewed me out, I'd be like, I got chewed out by Robert Duvall. That's awesome.
Robert Duvall's I make the joke, I said, Robert Duvall's a terrific guy. All 8 personalities are fabulous to be around, and he really is, man. The guy's a maniac, but that's why he's such a good actor. He commits to everything. Did you know when he did that movie, this is how committed he is. He did that movie, what's the Tender Mercies, the country music guy. You ever see this one? It's one of the great movies ever. He was so committed to that role that he not only did the movie, he went out and recorded a country album. He was a country singer in the movie.
Did he really?
He went out and recorded a country album. That's a kind of level of commitment that this guy has for his characters. It's fascinating. It really is.
So step 1, commit.
Commit, baby.
Commit.
That's right.
And be confident.
Yeah.